today we're about to eat super fat, get super fat, and lose all my shreds. That sound good to you guys? Yo, what's up guys? It's Polo back with another vlog. And we're in Tokyo, Japan, and we still haven't seen the Shibuya crossing. It's like 3,000 people crossing the road at once, like the biggest crossing in the world. We haven't seen that. And you know what? You know what else I think? I don't think we ate enough crappy foods yet. We don't have a massive cheat day. Let's get this started. Why are we still waiting here? Let's go, boys. We have to grab water, so we'll just grab one of these Bacardi Sweat. And now we're trying to go find our first meal. See, I had who knows what, like some, I don't know, it was alright. Nothing special, nothing crazy, nothing to rave about. Kind of expensive too, it was like 12 bucks US. We're gonna be spontaneous, so whatever I see I'll get. There's a gas station right here, and as like I said in my last vlog, gas station food here is the shit. Shibuya station. So if I'm here, bro, this station, it's a train station, mind you not. 10 floors. And that's not just the train, bro. It's a giant shopping mall with restaurants, everything, bro. We're gonna do a little bit of exploring. And we're gonna go get a cheap meal again, guys. Let's go. Let's go get some more food. I saw a cafe, though, dope. Let's do it. We're about to do the Shibuya crossing. That cafe was damn good. Right there, that bus is like a famous meeting spot. And then there's like some dog at that park that everyone meets at called like Hachiko. We're gonna go meet up with everyone, aka nobody, no friends. I kinda do wish sometimes I did bring people on this trip. So lively here, dude. Oh my God, I wish I could live here. It's called the Shibuya Scramble Rave. That's wild, bro. And then everyone's gonna step on my Yeezys. Open some new food down here, whole new floor. This place is huge. We're literally right across the street from that 10-story, see what I'm saying? The 10-story train mall Shibuya place. This is, I believe this is a hot dog with cheese. I thought it was a hot dog with ice cream. That's how stupid I am, but we're gonna try tofu flavored ice cream. I know, it sounds crazy, but I feel like it's gonna be good. I trust you, I know. Come on. Oh, are you gonna feed it to me? Oh, you're gonna feed it to me, yeah? Interesting. Different. I'm probably not gonna get it. Flavors to choose from. I got like the most normal looking one. So I'm about to get that. And then we're gonna go to this place called Strawberry Fetish. Yeah, you heard me. Fetish. Torch on the... Easily the best grip I've ever had. My chest is starting to hurt, bro. I haven't eaten this unhealthy and not worked out in this long, which is only like 2-3 days in a while. Through like a seal, like you're penetrating something, bro. Oh, that's nice. Damn, bro, that's like the freshest strawberry milk I've ever tasted. Oh, dude, it looks sick now, dude. Holy Basically milk, strawberry milk, some sugar, probably a bunch of that. Protein boba, like legit. This is boba tea with protein in it. Well, it's hella clutch. Live taste test. It's like chocolate and coffee, which is interesting. The boba is on point though. The flavor of the actual like, I don't know, you can kind of taste a little bit of chocolate protein. That's why I despise protein. I despise it. Everyone knows that I've never drank protein powder ever. It's not as good as regular boba, but it's pretty good. Dope invention. If you think it tastes a little better, you can sign me up to drink this every day. You connect your goddamn Bluetooth, you get water in your butthole, you get heated seat, bro, you get a bunch of other stuff that I can't read. I got it flush too. Taking a dump in royalty. One of those kawaii photo booths, bro. But this one's like all cat themed for some reason. I don't know, bro. There's cats everywhere, bro. This is Natsuki and pizza. And we're about to go be kawaii and take some pictures on there. You can't sit down? Oh. Oh, you're right. Oh, I did it. Okay. Oh. Done? Kanpai! Itadakimasu. Okay. Alright, so. Okay. Just say goodbye to my Japanese girlfriend? Just ate dinner, you guys should see that. All that food poured for you guys. I hung out, ate dinner, went to the observatory deck with these two people. I met them at the kawaii thing where you take like the anime looking pictures. Yeah, we met at that. I said, hey, what's up? Can I take pictures with you guys? They're like, hell yeah. And after that sparked a friendship, and then we've been hanging out all day for like the past like 4 hours. I love that spontaneous stuff, especially making friends spontaneously like that. But let's go through the Shibuya crossing one last time. Oh shit. Hey, they got cigarette vending machines. Alright, I abruptly ended recording earlier because I almost died because I was too busy vlogging. We're gonna go find dessert. Bruh, we just got this from that. Now we're about to go to Coco's. Still in Shibuya, looking aesthetic as fuck. Live taste test. After we put this on Snap and IG. Slapping, bro. I'm going in right now. So now we're gonna go find some other dessert, because you have to have dessert after you eat this food, bro. At least that's my rule. It should be yours too, alright? We got boba at Wendy's, bro. That's insane. Good looking boba too. I don't know what that was all about. That boba, it was pretty good. Like 8.5 out of 10. Fire. Now I'm just walking around. This is probably gonna be close to the end of the vlog. I'm just walking around Shibuya and eventually find my way home. I'm really mad because I want to go to Bape in this vlog. Get some Bape clothes, bro. Because you know I'm in Japan. But, oh well. And tomorrow's vlog is about to be insane. I'm probably gonna make 2 vlogs in one day because it's so lit tomorrow. So yeah, peace out.
Like and subscribe.